In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off trending searches on Google Chrome when you're using your phone. This is especially useful if you find the trending searches distracting or if you simply prefer a cleaner look when you're browsing or searching online. First things first, let's start by opening the Chrome browser on your phone. From here, head on over to google.com. It's often our go-to search engine, and this is where most of the action will take place as we adjust our settings. Once you're on the Google homepage, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll find a series of icons and options, but what we're interested in is on the lower right side. There, you should see a button labeled Settings. Go ahead and give that a tap. This will take you to a menu with various customization options for your Google experience. Now, within this settings menu, you'll notice a selection called Search Settings. Tap on this option to proceed. It will take you to another page with a list of preferences specifically related to how search results are displayed and managed on your device. These settings help tailor your search experience to better suit your needs. Next, once you are on the search settings page, look towards the top where you'll find an option named Other Settings. This is a lesser-known area where Google stashes some useful features and adjustments. Tap on it to delve deeper into the settings menu. Once you're in the Other Settings section, you'll have an array of choices that manage how elements appear when you search on Google. While scrolling through, keep an eye out for a setting related to trending searches. Depending on your current settings, it might be toggled on by default. What you want to do is simply toggle it off. By doing this, you'll disable the trending search suggestions that pop up when you initiate a search. Remember, adjusting these settings can make searching much more enjoyable and less cluttered, especially if you're someone who prefers to search without additional, possibly distracting, content popping up. Taking the time to customize these everyday tools can make a significant difference in efficiency and comfort when using your device. So with this, you now know how to turn off trending searches on Google Chrome using your phone. It might seem like a small change, but it can improve your online experience significantly by reducing unnecessary distractions. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't hesitate to check out more guides, and as always, happy browsing.